Hi, this is Aliyah. Let's continue the cookie series. Today we're going to use the almond paste we prepared in the previous video to make one of the most famous Moroccan cookies called Almond Ghriba. Ghriba means in Moroccan strange, but believe me, there is nothing strange about this cookie. So let's start. You will need powdered sugar, almond paste, lemon, baking powder, and an egg yolk. First, grate the lemon to get lemon zest. In a large bowl, combine the almond paste, lemon zest, and egg yolk. Mix well by hand until all ingredients are well incorporated. Add the baking powder and continue mixing. Time to roll. Keep your hands moistened with some orange blossom water or just water. Begin shaping the almond mixture into balls the size of a walnut. Roll each ball in powdered sugar until well covered. Place the cookies in a buttered baking pan and put a dent in the center of each cookie with the tip of your finger. Bake in a preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit degrees, 180 Celsius degrees for about 15 minutes or until the cookies have a light golden color. Do not overbake. These cookies will be soft when still hot, but will become more chewy as they cool down. Also, you can coat them when still hot with more powdered sugar if there is not enough. That's it. Let me have the perfect bite. A slight crispy outside and a soft chewy inside. Yummy! Bon appétit!